Yeah, a mad thing. Look good. Big up every time and welcome every time to Jamaica Walk By. Blessings and respect. At Jamaica Walk By, we go through them place like a my yard. Big up every time. So yeah, we outside. No joke, no doubt, bro. You don't know. VYBZ Kartel walk free, and today is like a national holiday. And ask me, I tell you no. Today is like a national holiday. You understand? Yeah, man. No joke, no doubt. Good evening, my friend. Where say VYBZ Kartel walk free? Oh my word. Jamaica turn. Oh. You know. I chew in a dolly. Nobody run dolly. Come on, man. Look how you look good. Come say something about VYBZ Kartel. If I one word.
Always love.
Always love.
Every time.
Yeah, alright. Big up yourself. You hear that? Every time. So right now, massive, we over at Gaza. You understand? We're there on the Gaza. And the teacher just Lego. And him there on the way across. You don't know. Big up to everybody we are jump on the live right about now. You tell me if the connection look good, if the connection clean. Tell me if it's pretty. How we looking. Big up my two teachers them right there. So big up every time. Gaza. You understand? No joke, no doubt. As you walk through, you don't know. Waterford. Portmore City. Yeah. Big up to all the juvenile right here. So you don't know. Everybody I get a little experience of what I go on the Gaza today. I know a normal day. It's not a normal day and everybody feel good right across the world. And a joke thing, man. Look good. Jaja know. It's like a real day today. Holiday. Today have to be like a holiday, bro. Yeah. Good evening, mommy. That is it. Jamaica walk by. Jaja know. Hey guys, about free today, man. Blessed, blessed. Yeah, man. So now see how guys how the place set up here now. Yeah. Today I forgot to be a holiday, brother. Yeah, your man say big up a peace officers them there. Bobat! Blessed, blessed. Look good. Look good. Look good now, man. Look good now, man. You not realize I'm a Jamaica walk by, man. Because I'm yellow from early. Yeah. You're not afraid of that camera today, because today a camera day, you know, where's the two son? Eh? Not ready yet. Jaja know what a day. I don't know from when I want to come across today. You know, far me a shot from the reach. I not tell you, man. Oh gosh. Those son. A man has not reached every time, you know. Oh no, no look for the sign. Look good. Look good. Manners. Look good. Look good. Look good. Look good. Jaja know one Jamaica walk by. Blessed and respect. Today is like a holiday. I know say we don't want them on camera just circle, but today I want general day. Happy.
Yeah, but we don't want to
You don't want to tell us a beautiful ladies not shine, man. Look good now, man. Look there. Look good now, man. How would this on the shirt? Alright then, look good. How would on the shirt? A holiday today. Can't be a better day than that. Me I tell you. Look good. Right from the Gaza, it's a blessed day. You don't know. Peace officers them over there on the tree and we are going easy back and make sure everything great. Why else can go wrong over here, so? Over here, so always great, me teacher. Blessings and respect. You don't know Christmas list where there. Big up every time. The party just a start right about now over here, so. You understand? I know a Jamaica walk by and we outside my place and we always showing you the realness. The real thing. And me a walking on a whole street. Oh my word. Look good. Gaza. Oh you mean? Oh my word. Best of love to everybody we are joined right about now, but it's gonna be crazy. Blessed, respect. Portmore City. We now have to say free world boss again.
I wanna know the J.
Yeah.
I said boss free, you know. Yeah man.
Free.
One cartel, one Gaza, one Black 5.
That is it, the teacher. Don't joke, don't doubt.
One world boss.
Figure that.
One world boss.
Oh my word. So people them can say stop, they can stop say free world boss, you know. Yeah, them can just say more life and strength, you know.
Yeah.
And tour. And the big show. Yeah. Where's the show if we keep stadium?
I watch out for general. I want to look out for J Movement, so you know me already. I know
J Movement.
Yeah.
Instagram, TikTok.
Kingpin.
Artist.
Big up Warrior Queen Production, you see it?
You
My
got
management
that?
team.
Oh, you mean?
England, she's so far.
Say now, drop none for people them.
Man a star, so me a feel live Gaza.
That is it. Look good, the man, all bicycle, cyclists, all everything. You can ride and drink.
Yeah, right away.
You can ride and drink. Look good, the man. Yeah. Say don't know. The officers them go there, no joke, no doubt. Massive and crazy vibe. I would ride over upon the Gaza as you walk through. People them happy, the people them feel good, and as you can see, people them just a boost up and just have some fun. Whoa, she a run. Let me keep it over here, so. Let me keep it over here, so. Let me keep it over here, so. Gaza City is a vibe. Yeah, my teacher. Where's the public holiday? You're not afraid of camera. Public holiday, man. Easy now, man. Big up and respect. Gaza. You afraid? Oh, my beautiful lady run the side. Watch out, you're right from. Massive, it's a vibe. Right now, our whole Jamaica is a VYBZ KARTEL. The biggest thing this in our whole world. Look good. Jaja, no. So we just see what one, you know, vibe as you can see. Look down there, so dancing the whole world. So we just catch all of the raw happenings in a Portmore right now, over Gaza. What me say? You don't know Cartel are going to be everywhere. Look good. Machine! Are you that? Machine! Manners. Pinky! Pinky! Machine! Blessed, Rockstone, who this ya? Great man! Big up every time, man, as I respect all like G them, all general, no joke. You know for me, forward from to get, to even get for reach. Jesus, please, don't put no man. Don't put no man. Are you that? Right! The boy! Wait. Scoop. Oh, that's skirt. That's a fast. Yeah. Stinky. Machine. Oh, you mean? What's that? Stand pick up! Gas spill! Gas spill! Gas spill! I'm shut up! I'm shut up! Jeez! Lord! It's not that! It's not that! Not no spill! Yes! 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 Big up QQ, you understand? You know, right round up on the Gaza is a vibe, and the party just a start. What me say? Machine, pinky, look up, up in a pinky. Hey! Gas spill. No, we no spill. Gas spill. Gaza City. Everybody just happy right now. People them just happy. It's a vibe, it's an energy. Right over your side of the Gaza. And me a tell you, say, it's not normal. But down with it. Make it careful. Yeah. And a joke thing. World shop. How you mean? World shop. Jaja know. It's a vibe, it's an energy.
Party get chassis, take some soup and get back class. Get some sand, then you go in the plastic. But it's surface, somebody get high. Get the one, the lady, who are from the tiny wine.
I'm on a cell. Bush cover and not charge me.
Hey, you serious? Why make you never call me? Papi, when there?
See that?
Surface, what kind of governor just selling? The rope system no good. Papi, tell him. You're not red nose. No money spending.
Hot?
What kind of governor just selling? The rope system no good. Papi, tell him. You're not red nose. No money spending.
Hot grabber, hot grabber, hot grabber. Cut it up in a the wheat tree, mother. Crooked and cracked. Hot grabber, hot grabber, hot grabber. Hot grabber, hot grabber, hot grabber. Cut it up in a the wheat tree.
Yeah, me ain't no plating smoking thing, you know. Mommy, from me wake up, me start smoke. The weed smoking now I should. No more can't tell me that coke. Then me start it that way, yeah. Oh, from me wake up, a ganja. Me speak longer, gotta make it stronger. Hey, the rain was turn up the anger. All who about them with waste up. Me have been up and big. Inna me bed cool. Can I crack it? You must lick it. We not go think about any every nivel. So that me have been the coffee. Clear the winner who wanna get back. Everybody have to say Adia. Back up on your body. There's a man them no fish it. Cause a woman alone inna me bed. Girl sit down on it. You love me, baby? So that me have been the coffee. Clear the winner who wanna get back. Everybody has to get look. Hey, something. If you don't have me medicine, me can't bother. Grabber. All feet have the weed, Bobo Shabba. Sing now, from me wake up. The weed smoking on my throat. Yo, hold this. My face feel warm. Mommy, hey, jump no man, they don't look man. Don't take your fire for me. After you see him gonna fire for me. Never fight with this head for your fire for me. And I drink sweet pie so she higher for me. Me got up in a little girl fire for me. She said me have the remedy for fire. So me no use Viagra, me no buy a salad. She said tell you the remedy you apply and me say hear me now, girl from every area. Me them want to tear it up. How my people love me so. The girl never said me and them straight jeans and fitted and whiteies. She said bitch and your skin look nice. Remember the song we run the summer last year? Oh go V-neck, T-shirt, jewelry, Legion, that's how. Sing about the straight jeans and did it. We did it. We rock them shades to the limit. See if something did me the Portmore. Me Gucci belt. Me rose chain. And me rose gold watch. See if something did me the Portmore. Hear me I say. Them say cartel a bleach. But me bleaching reach. From the girl them look for me then. Girl come kingston. All when some boy hate me. Every girl want to hate me. The girl them love off me round cute face. The girl them love off. But still have no. Dad. Me no shot a girl. Mommy you me no. Hey mommy you say. The dead girl anywhere. Here and here. Yeah.
Alaka. Right man, this a man. Great man.
Oh yes, man. That is it, man.
What you mean?
See the anti-nable.
Artist from birth. Them man are turning out.
Anti-nable them, man. Catch them. Anti-nable.
Long time I don't see you doing a bro. Yeah man, you say travel so much?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Yeah.
You know your machine again. Hey, catch Red Riding Hood. Machine.
Machine man.
Yeah man, oh yes, man. Look.
Pinky massive, you remember? Oh gosh man.
Pinky, a long time
Pinky. Red Hills Road.
Woo, a long time she not Dutch Road.
Oh
see
gosh.
See your mother here?
Oh gosh.
Curly here. Ready for see.
So everybody see where looks and the shape come from.
Bumbo cloud.
Yeah man, them see it now man. Look good.
That is it. I don't know.
Come, Pinky, see there, Pinky, it's a pity massive. Remember from Red Hills Road. Pinky, it's a pity. No joke. Come out clean. Switch out to get the whole line shape from. Yeah man, I am on the show.
Otherwise, they must suffer. He know the bus name. I don't know. See them. Yeah man, I ain't this man. See it.
You want to know who tune that sound there, no? Because God know.
Yeah, no, just see father.
Yeah, that sound that can't go play in the party.
Yeah, man, I ain't
Any party. Any party.
here.
Any party.
Hold on. We just hear one quick interview. VYBZ KARTEL I know some way, but VYBZ KARTEL know who him know. But what you know? We just roll through VYBZ KARTEL.
Yeah, them no want up on the camera. Yeah.
What you know, man?
We eliminate over there.
Yeah. What you know, man? They say VYBZ KARTEL no know some way. You go see. We just roll through the skin. Woo.
Yeah.
Father, big up yourself here.
Blessed.
Father, I tell you. I want pass through like high school here. So just catch up one part on the video here.
Big up every time, man. Respect. Straight. So massive, it's all about a vibe. Down here on the Gaza, I tell us that people, them happy your friend. From morning. From morning.
One Gaza car wash, man. What you say? No joke. One Gaza car wash. Some man there in a BMW. I can go say Gaza.
Yeah, my friend, make sure I say fix here the next direction again. Yeah. He says a vibe. Gaza.
Gaza for life and Gaza forever.
Peace officers always, you know, them are got the boat. Blessed, respect. See, oh, the police is so clean. You're not afraid of camera, my teacher? Why you look, you make it look like somebody that want dress like you and just go on. Yeah, easy. Yeah, my G, respect and manners, I hear that. Blessed respect. You make a man rock a police uniform, decent.
Right there. No,
what you mean?
I want them, man. I want Gaza universe, man. I want them, man. Around us, man. Yeah. Around us, man. I want them, man. Right now, though. Right now, man. Alright, that's the man. I want them, Gaza, man.
Oh my word.
Jennifer Lopez,
yeah, me see the teacher hide him face, Browning hide him face. Or see his shine there. From me say I cover your face and I want the panic. Yeah, man. No joke, man. Oh gosh, watch on his side. No face.
Oi, father. I want Gaza.
Yeah. No joke. Outside. Right, funny. People them happy, brother. People them happy. Them happy. Look good. Oh my word. Alright, man. That is it, bro. Respect. Up it there. Watch out. There. Outside, man.
Yeah, man.
Where's the VYBZ KARTEL? Outside. Oh my word.
That was then, this is what? No. That was then, this is what?
No.
Jesus come. Jesus is here. Remember me tell you.
Blessed man, I respect man. I know joke thing. Come true.
That was then, this is what?
No. Blessed, respect. Yeah.
Father.
Blessed, respect. Jamaica walk by, you understand? Big up every time, man. A historical day today.
Yes, sir.
Well, I know ever show them even where we are step on. Look good. See there? God of God.
See him when you say don't know.
Look good.
Right, that's the first Gaza viral video. You don't
Look
know.
good.
Go goal. You don't know. Big up VYBZ KARTEL. General.
Look good,
first,
man.
Go hard. Look on it. Look on it there.
Look good. Jaja no. You see what I say? Jaja no. We outside, we there. Oh, you mean? Jaja no. They look good to me that in a glass. Figure that I am man.
Let me that man.
Yeah. Oh, you mean? Blessed. Wanna say holiday? Holiday.
Any man get video.
Yeah, we know man, you know a chap already. Figure that.
Big up your boss anyway,
Anyway, more some of my artists them to more showcase some of my artists them in the more mind. Make man them can give out the socials them, you understand? But all of the artists them there. But no Jamaica walk by, you know my program already, you know, bro. You understand? You know my program already, you know, bro. DJ them have to get strength. You understand? Telling every day, you know, just shot me thing them me post.
You walk by TV. Yeah, me I say Jamaica, you know, J movements. In a real life, but the Gaza big up world boss. The boss free and them for know. Yeah, me I say, Gaza, proud upon me in
Jesus Christ.
You know it's volcano at wax, so the girl them hear me them get wax. Jiggy, Cause you looking so fine, you blow my mind. You got me going.
See that? You see that? Walk by TV, I just get a walk by.
That is
Walk
it.
by TV. Don't know a Gaza G7, you see it, and big up it.
G7.
General, you see it, today General free, and a one boss. You see me? Yeah, you don't know, go follow G7 on Instagram, you see it, Gaza G7 Bono. You see it?
That
big up all like Gaza artists, them, you see it? Today I boss there. You see it? Big up Sean Star, I know a thing. That is it. You see me? Don't know. Okay. That is it. Forward again. Forward again. Hey.
Great volcano.
VYBZ Kartel free today. World boss free. When I'm not more for say who are world boss.
Yeah, you never say free world boss again.
No, you never said it.
Girl, you looking so cool. You blow my fuse. You soil my shoes. You mess up my mood. Boom. That's too.
One walk by, you know what?
No joke thing. Big up and respect, you understand? I said today is a great day. You know, for me, if I travel from me, get you seconds, me a leak by. No joke, man. See it there, man. Oh gosh. What a vibe. Outside. Gaza. Yo, the people, them happy, your friend. Manners and bro.
No, that's a real truth. See the walk by
Yeah. No joke.
How you jumping?
Man. Jaja, no. It's a vibe, it's a energy.
That is it, as a look.
You play a special, man. The music up on the ground.
Music up on the ground, man.
What you mean, man? Jaja, no. Yeah, man. We outside. And it's all about a vibe. You know how many people them just, overjoyed and thing. As you can see. You understand, we still have police presence in a area. Same speed and thing. You know the Gaza sign the right there so. And thing, you see me? No joke, no doubt. And them now go leave. But we just in a place same way.
Then in the 90s, this man came along.
Yeah, man.
Alright, then right now, that's what he couldn't get any bigger, couldn't get any better. Artists are so that bounty killer, feeling man, sizzler, Capleton, Frada Ben, Mad Cabra.
Listen to this.
Yeah, well, I am a child of the 80s. I grew up listening to Ninja Man, Shabala, Supercat, Admiral, Johnny, Charlie Chaplin, Then in the 90s, this man came along called Buju Banton. And right then and there, I started dancing. That was it. Couldn't get any bigger, couldn't get any better. Artists are so like Bounty Killer, Feeling Man, Sizzler, Capleton, Frada Ben, Mad Cabra, Frisco Kid, Anthony D. So I was born in dancehall, I grew up in dancehall, and I am dancehall.
It's a vibe, man, no joke.
Me no get you, me can't
Give me your foot. Give me your foot. Give me your foot. Oh. Now look at the mashup. Oh, God. Lord have mercy, look what I go on. You understand? It's a vibe. Gaza. Yo, remember, you can't even walk too fast, right? So you understand, you have to slow down. Don't even ride bicycle too fast. Sleeping police, they just slow down.
Slow down.
Yeah, respect a year.
I don't know.
Respect a year. Yeah, man. That is it. Come on, dancer. Yeah, man, we are walk through. Manners, manners, manners. Respect again. You hear that? Outside. Lord, me like I hear ya.
Oh God, man.
Well set. Oh my word. What do you mean? Alright, come the side of my teacher before me turn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are they?
Yeah, one, pass.
Pass.
Great Godfather.
Yeah. One of the oldest in the area, you know, I think come there. You don't know, so one Gaza strip. You don't live here, you know. You see me, but we don't, you don't know if I see greatness. You have to talk.
You know.
You don't have to see it, you know.
You see it, man.
Okay.
You see it, man.
No, you don't.
Blessed and respect, man. Outside, what you say? VYBZ KARTEL free. You might have the older version, you know, man. Jesus, please. What you mean?
That's what the dog land set up, the general.
Yes, are you deal with it? I know you deal with it. Boy, I don't know who want to know somebody who deal with it, boy. What you mean? Figure that.
What the man look at? What it? Portmore land. Local land.
That is it. What you mean? How long do you live on that side there?
Me?
Yeah.
Father, what's that?
40 years, man.
Where's the Yaviki?
40 years, man.
Jajano. 40 years of the boat.
Father, what's that?
Don't move, you know.
One Portmore land. You can have a look at dinner, food, excitement,
But the box side they flip that they come there and not make it spill so. Are you control gravity?
I go over Portmore place.
So they say over 40 years are there.
Yeah, man.
How has it been so far? Great.
Great, man.
How old are you?
Eh?
How old have you now?
Guess I may tell you.
Me that say 60.
No.
You pass 60?
78 December.
Rockstone, we say 78.
Me 80.
What is?
You think-
Go.
You think I know you're born?
95.
Yeah. You exercise now, you still play football?
The football me play.
Eh?
Whiny. I just say girls, every day.
Yeah, London, Canada, USA, your body. Yeah. So it look like you're well shaved up today. You prepare for today?
I saw me carry myself all the while.
Every day?
Every time, man. Every time.
Ja. How you been?
In the town, man.
Oh, it's look young man. When man go socks and slippers and marine and shorts.
That's set up, man. That's thing set up, man.
Figure that. How you been? Alright, the teacher.
Father.
You're not afraid of camera?
You're not afraid of camera? No, don't
No,
shy.
man, we're not afraid. Beautiful people, not shy, man. Yeah, shout out to TikTok.
Stop it. Them girl there.
Yeah, man, you can see they love the TikTok and they sit there, you know. Oh my word. Gaza. Outside. It's a vibe. Where's my teacher?
Come here.
Manners, respect.
No, you can't rest right there. So what's that?
If food not ready, me ready, you know. Who a cook?
That big girl, come here.
My friend, who a cook?
Put on your food and come here.
Who a cook?
Oh God, man, I don't know.
Yeah, you're real G. Big up yourself, yeah, bro. Yeah, you want to shy? Yeah. Real big man, blessings and respect. Jamaica walk by in them towns.
Auntie, that is Jamaica walk. Okay? Jamaica
Yeah.
walk by. Just walk by
In your community, see all of the natural happenings, all the best vibes.
No! He just said, top.
Yeah.
We are go top.
Yeah, video me too. Yeah, video man never get a chance in a video yet. Yeah, so video me too. Yeah, man. One Jamaica walk by.
Go over there.
Oh, you mean to look? You have a video to one me on a video.
Go over there, son, man. Go over Mama Pam.
Look good.
You don't know that. People, you don't know Jamaica walk.
Jamaica walk by in them town.
They don't know. What you know? Mama, look. You see, in the afraid. A film camera this.
Look good. Like a yard. Nobody never want video me.
No, where you go? Auntie, where you go?
Oh, me never get no video.
Yeah.
Look good.
See that? Ah, God, man.
Look good, man.
That is it, man.
Picture taken.
Picture taken.
From my red stripe. So, you don't know Jamaica walk by is here. It feels so nice if somebody else take over the camera and video me.
That is it, man. I want to tell you, man.
Yeah, promotion is always key. So remember, if you're watching, remember subscribe to Jamaica Walk By. You understand? You can follow me on TikTok at Jamaica Walk By TV. Oh yes, well, listen me, man. So pick up
say don't know.
Ways, no video me. Me clean, see me logo ya.
Oh yes,
if you see, don't know, say me Jamaica Walk By TV. Outside. Oh, you mean?
That is it.
Like a yard.
Like a yard.
All the artists them too. From all Waterford, Gaza, big up all the artists, Gaza, Tucson, big up yourself every time, you understand? All of the other general them, you know what I mean? Sean Storm free, all of man them free, just a great day. You see me? Yes. No, Joe, look good, I ready to take it over. Yeah. I mean, take a video for you all day, but I show we have a show what go on.
That is it, man.
Yeah, man, outside me they look good. What a food.
She either food, sweet and sour chicken she eat. And she for the media.
So mama, how you feel today if you know VYBZ KARTEL free?
Well, you know, I feel good, so I'm really free and thing.
Yeah, man, it's a great day.
It's a great, good feeling.
Yes, man, for a day like this,
Peeny, my friend. You're happy. Happy Peeny are the best.
Jaja, no.
What for hot beer for you? Sorry. You need a hot beer.
Yes.
Yes, it's a Peeny, you're the best. You're supposed to sleep nice tonight to boy down road.
Sleep sweet.
Right beer.
Feeling. Big up my sister in New York, you know?
Big up my sister in New York. You have to say her name too, man.
You talk to her on the phone.
Yeah, you talk to her on the phone. What's your name?
Yeah, man. Big her up. Big up Sophia in New York.
That is it, man. Sophia in New York. Everybody know you now. Oh, you mean? One more, two domino. We domino there. We trying to kick two domino to you know. Oh, you mean? It's a vibe. Right over here in Gaza City. Jaja know. It's a great feeling.
Yeah, you see?
Look, I'm around the show today, you know.
You don't know thing, what you know? This team jump over, jump by. So do you jump across next. Alright.
Outside. So yeah. Right for the Gaza. It's a vibe.
It's a vibe. So don't know we're alive. We're not dead people. Roll through to Jamaica, walk by.
They make them know you're who, you know, all the people who just a giant.
A MacGyver, the skillest thing, the baddest thing.
You understand? Nothing a spill.
Nothing a spill.
Yeah. I be general bad dancer.
You don't know Jamaica, walk by.
Yeah, outside. Yeah, man. Right on the Gaza. Great MacGyver. It's a vibe. Me nah go around it. Why MacGyver? Trust me. It's a vibe. So yeah, man, you know, police them not going away. Probably there for the whole day and thing. Gaza City. Nah, man, it's a vibe today, man. Nah, man, nobody enough here run today. Nobody enough here run today. Nobody enough here run today.
Gaza was there, brother.
Gaza.
You hear that?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you see, one bar. One red bar. Any other bar in a basket. Mr. Cartel.
Say that again.
Any other bar is a basket. One basket. Oh, yeah.
Go big
I saw you bad. Jamaica walk by. Lord of mercy. Happiness. Happiness.
Jamaica walk by. What is it?
No joke. It's a vibe, yeah man. Right for the Gaza.
May I represent for Keita and Shaba. Right through.
Start kissing. Jamaica walk by, what there? Look good. Walk in that place like a man. Look good, man. Who is the Gaza? No hiding today. Oh, you mean? Oh, gosh. Right for the Gaza, it's a vibe. Hold on, no turn on. How are working? How are working camera? You no turn on. It's like everything there. It's a good vibe. Tell us the beautiful ladies no shine, man.
Look, boy.
Right from the Gaza. Water food. And the people them happy, people them just a whole of energy. And a easy. What you mean? Yeah. Come on. Pick up yourself no man. Oh you mean no man. Yeah. Crazy music.
What's it? No, you man,
yeah. There. Yeah, massive is a vibe, it's a great energy. Ice reach. The drinking's just start. Hardcore. Check a style. Show them. See there? I saw you broke ice. You understand? No ice prick, no ice crusher. I'll video. Yes. One MacGyver.
One guy, man.
What you mean? Oh my word. We outside. It's a great vibe, no joke. Stay up on the Gaza, man. There's just some music and go and play. People them just happy and don't know everything, just a great vibe. The people them just super grateful. We can realize a lot of person look like they lost for words too. You understand? They not even know what to say. Yeah man. Don't even know what to say, bro. That's how the vibe is like over here right now. Gaza. So big up everybody for the live right about now. You don't know Nikisha, big up yourself. Jai, big up yourself. Mark, big up yourself. You don't know Christian, big up yourself. That's Christian Ali. Mine of Jason, my boss, big up yourself. Island Revel Entertainment. Blessings and respect. You understand? James, Cooper. Yeah, but we organize that man, but yeah, man, you know it thing go. Yeah. So big up everybody right about now for the live and the Josie. Gaza.
It is real.
Williams, big up yourself now, man. See you sign there. Right out of Gaza with it. No joke, no doubt. Right from VYBZ KARTEL, you know? Yeah. People them just roll out and everybody just happy. You see me? Here's a vibe. Where's the moment? Cartel free. Yeah, man. Because none of them never miss up.
Today we never go to go downtown and come back late.
You know, say today one actually miss me downtown. Usually I'm me alone all the downtown, but today me actually have some family business we have to deal with. So me never get to reach, so me just finally reach when the guys have to
No,
today.
no, miss me.
Yeah, man. Only today, it's there when it's free. You know what's Is it stay home and pray?
Yeah.
That is it, man. No joke. How you mean? Yeah, one MacGyver.
You know who that? Eh? Are you woman selling?
One MacGyver.
Are you the fastest guy ever? I'm a son-in-law, Jody. Sorry about it.
Eh? And they put sick.
Sorry about it.
Really, I got told me, if you got put me, so you mean it.
Yeah, reach. For the 6 foot.
Yes.
How you mean? That is it, man. We're outside. No, not you.
You know Mama, you say? Check it, Mama.
When the hard part of
Right for the Gaza, brother. Nobody know today. Yeah, man. Everybody does they are going easy. Right for the Gaza. I'm going easy. Yeah, man, massive. I don't know. I just big up on yourself, same speed. You understand? As you are showing the war go on. On the Gaza right about now. You see me? Police them there, whole heap of police up on the black same way. And make sure so everything are going alright. See them on the tree, them up on the front, them there everywhere. But we just go and take it easy. Over here, on the Gaza, you see me? How you mean? All the dog them outside. Everybody. Come here, we are going on someone. Big up again here, bro.
You don't know what my TV, you don't know.
Dali them a hide, man. From them afraid of camera. You're afraid of camera. Big up every time, man. See it right from the Gaza. Blessings, man. Gaza.
See that?
Big up and respect for that. Hear that, bro? Manners, man. Brawling. Outside.
See that? One walk by.
Where them a stick your MacGyver? And them fi do it.
No, you don't know. I told never see you.
Yeah. Yeah, massive. We just out there. Up on the Gaza. I catch the happenings and things. Thank you. All them a TikTok sign around. Run. Go come in, man. Make you hear why TikTok, no, man. My friend. No joke, no doubt. It's a vibe.
See that BMW?
Bossy.
What are them? See one of them there?
Bossy.
DK the far door. What are them?
Nah, press
No, I
now.
used to live over there. What's I mean? I'm
Me I go buy it from the dog, you see me? Yeah, man, it pussy, man. One day, man. I'm there, man. You see me?
My
Why
God.
you go? You know? Yeah, that's it, man.
No joke.
No, what the no? What the no? Oh, let me tell you this. Become like, what do you call it? Snapchat. Snapchat, I call it.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm not stop chat if I Snapchat. Forward.
Oh, yeah, but as you can see with the right round on the Gaza, and we just catch the happenings who are going around here on the Gaza, and it's just a vibe so far. And people them nice, the people them good. MacGyver.
You see them kind of shy?
Yeah, me see it, man, but I don't know when things Dali start get shy.
No, they come from different community. Them different, you know? You know like when they play, you know like when they play.
YouTube, Jamaica walk by YouTube.
Everyone in the road, what you know? Them different, you know like when they play football and play defense, they're different. So what you know? Load it alone. What you know? Oi, come in, alright,
right on the Gaza. Yeah, man. It's the energy. So at them place, you know, VYBZ KARTEL now, I'm grung this. When walk up and down, when Bill, when meds, when chill, you know, film section, this is when easy. And represent for when you hear him say Gaza. Big up all waterfall.
Every
day them are man, so good. No joke.
Every day I'm high.
Yeah.
Alright,
right on the Gaza. So as you can see, all Portmore right now just feel nice. Yeah. So who just as the Gaza, the real way. Yeah. So look, you know. Jamaica walk by. Yeah, Jamaica walk by. Yeah, me live now. Yeah. So I capture happenings, right? You can check and beg you one subscribe to man, see? Yeah. Jamaica walk by. Respect and thanks, see? Supermarket roll out. Yeah, we not catch up on him, man, from me see it. The supermarket we are catch today. Supermarket outside. Cheese and peace. What do you mean? Not true.
And remember when we fuck me, no love to get me got this out. So imagine how you feel within your nose, say you got the mash.
Must have play clean. I said daily crack.
Daily crack.
How would you, are you?
On our original double, you know?
Yeah. With them the box here place up clean. Gaza. Yeah. We catch me inside that game. Yeah, we can't catch me inside that game. No face, no chill.
Baba, you want to put the blood glass? How much you have you that?
That me know a bit. Carry on, Brown. Big up yourself, man. Respect always. That me know game a bit. Keep them out.
No man, I will
Right for the Gaza. I could look through a little bit. Not bad driver. We are in a place, man.
What's up?
Big up every time, my teacher. Yeah, we in a community of water food, you understand? Bala? No soccer? I mean, on the on TikTok and thing? Big up on yourself. Don't know no dancer.
No, see, boss. Dance.
I feel say my dancer for you, you know. Want to say cartel free? Free. Why would everybody want to know? You understand? Right on the Gaza.
Bombard, too much people on it.
Big up.
Oh, we're there.
Boy, grab.
Yeah.
Boy, grab.
You left training to come fast.
Training done.
My training done at night now, man.
Training done. Training just done.
Which out in India play ball? Oh, cross.
You want a little sponsor.
Oh, I amount of that me do from there.
You be a little sponsor.
How TikTok go?
Eh?
Shout out to TikTok.
Bombard, J-Quan. Round it, boy. Which one? A joke. Shout out to TikTok now. One Damario or it. Eh?
Right on the Gaza.
Well started.
I went since Dolly start. When since yeah, me the live and me a pre-record too. You understand?
Oh, I see.
Yeah, big up on it. And shout out the TikTok. Me hear the TikTok now. My friend, come here now, man. Green, whoever on the green tab. What's your name on TikTok? You know so not TikTok. One breezy that done. Mix up star. One breezy. Yeah. One breezy that done. What do you mean? Yo, if he says girl look sexy with it. Outside, bossy. Yeah. I'm going to take a look on them. Come here, we are walking. I want to see you down the side there. Let us walk through. Gaza City.
Yo, you're there on left and stop.
Mom, I want to say cartel free. Yeah, man, a good man. Yeah. Outside on the play for? What that mean? Oh, soccer management player program. Oh, soccer player. So the on the cars are just a whole of vibe, you know what I mean? That mean no play people that go on whole of vibe and sit.
Yo, take on the squad himself.
Look up more, see? Gotta get easy. Right,
Jump no man, did you look man? Don't take your family. I feel you see him gonna fire for me. Never fight with his head for your fire for me. And I drink sweet wine so she higher for me. Me got up in the dance, girl, fire for me. She said me have the remedy for fire. So me no use Viagra, me no buy your salad. She said tell you the remedy you apply and me say hear me now, girl from every area. Me the one to tear it up. How my people love me so. The girl never said we are them. Straight jeans and fitted and whiteies. She said nature your skin look nice. Remember this song we run this summer last year? Oh no! V-neck, t-shirt, jewelry, Legion, that's all. Sing about the straight jeans and did it. We did it. We rock them shades to the limit. See if something did me the Portmore. Me Gucci belt, me rose chain, and me rose gold watch. See if something did me the Portmore. Hear me I say, them say cartel a bleach, but me bleaching reach from the girl them look for me there. Girl come kingston, always some boy hate me. Every girl want hate me. The girl them love off me round cute face. The girl them love off, but still have no. Me no shot a girl, mommy me no. Hey, mommy you say, the girl anywhere, here and here. Yeah. Jump it again, big up the officer them. And the youth them where we come from. Me no shot a girl. The girl anywhere, here and here. Girl I said here and I tell me she here. When me go in a some shop here, girl I said. You don't know, he's a boy me no shot a girl. Touch the road from one a girl. Push the foot through the window. She said the kind in my pocket. She said the size of my bed. She said the house of my live. See him just sit there all the time. Tell her watch me till I live. Young girl, I get my walking. I'm the green on the red. Look, y'all see the bleach out face and shit. Like some have a earthquake. Y'all some sweet and that Christmas cake. So me tell you, Nicki Minaj. Look, what you Nicki say? Yo man, yes, so what about the Gaza? So me know me host me and you feel hey. She said to the Gaza, she said jump. We get y'all. Are you son? Stuff like stone. Thank you. Next shot. Introducing Vanessa Bliss as Gaza Slim. Baby girl, them were done them monster.
Sunfest me now for peace and never peace. We say nobody dedicated to the man from below. Sunfest, read no Adam. One man, give me good love, yeah. One man, give me good love, yeah. One man, give me good love, yeah. One man to say. Yeah.
Teacher no mind me, you know him tell me I work for the one that I help for your shut up, for me no Portmore to come over here. Gaza commandment stand up see me. Go walk and go down, go ask for that. I go and flank and I go and go ask you. What you say?
What you say?
Gaza. What you say? Gaza.
What you say?
One man.
chest. No happiness, no one niceness. Drunk me say Gaza, me money start good for the
clean and pretty.
house in a high.
The pay for the house is a drive next. We hope the bubbles to the high, yes. They don't know my thing down, my beer.
Pick up everybody with the funny life. You know what I mean? 2,000 people are watching. That's a good look. Now it's a good time. You know, what's your Instagram, your TikTok? Let me show
I don't know how long them feel like they could have keep the done, you know.
Yeah.
But at the done time now, real boss, him have a free.
Oh,
what me say? One cartel,
real
one boss. Any other boss, a basket. And me say so. Yeah, mama, straight.
That is it.
And we
you
say
have
that.
to reach, you know. What you mean? Right from the Gaza, it's a vibe. We're there till night, people them happy, music a play, all of the great stuff, all of the good things. Let me give Instagram a shout out. There's an item from the camera. You go on,
yeah, them can show it name. It's what name again?
Tell me.
Wait a moment, look.
Or just find him and me look on it. Oh, you mean? See world equipment they beat. I don't know when they run from the Gaza around the side there. Where you can see the city.
Simple Tani, simple underscore
Go on it, let me
Tani.
see. Simple underscore Tani. Oh, see your Instagram. So on Dalia. Dalia no want to go on the camera, man. So see our Instagram and follow her. Simple underscore Tani. Yeah. No, Joe, big up yourself. You hear that? Outside with it. Massacre. You mean? In the some blast.
Because it I cannot Kita, big up yourself. Shabba! Big up! You come represent you, no car. Watch you know? Watch walking TV, I'm gonna punish right now. Jamaica walk by. Jamaica walk by.
Yeah.
Jamaica walk by. Watch me now. Type it in, Dennis, type it in.
I want Dalina look good. I want Dalina shape good, yeah? Watch her. Whoa! Yeah.
Watch me.
She said she have a vibe, you see, man.
Type it in.
Yeah, the people that love you.
Yeah.
You're not on Instagram. What's your Instagram? Not TikTok.
Tina Comfortable.
What's your name?
Tina Comfortable from Marvel. Big up myself.
That is the Tina Comfortable.
Tina.
Yeah, you look comfortable with you. Right on the Gaza with the massive. Oh, you mean? Yeah, man.
Easy for life. Big up Easy. We are now in Florida, yeah.
Yeah, Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk by.
Right on the Gaza. Right now the Gaza get packed up. You understand? You don't know the sign with the Gaza city. They right down there. So down there, so we did it earlier. So we just up there, so go and beat to music. And I listen to what go on. We are going to go back up there in a few.
You see it? We have more friends to me. You see it?
Yeah, we now move till our friends here. See that Dalia.
Hurry up, guys. You must be there more yesterday.
Yeah.
Blood club, big up Dennis. Florida, my friend.
Cartel outside.
Big up my friend of Blood Club, Florida. One Dennis. Yeah.
Barbary. Why you have a vibe?
My friend see me.
That is it.
My friend see me. Blood.
Where's the show on this side? This show, go back on the side.
Right.
Yeah, but right.
Right show. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, good body. Yeah. Comfortable. Watch out. Hey, boy, me I tell you. So, she name why name on Instagram again?
Tina Comfortable.
Yeah, she named Tina Comfortable on Instagram. So all of you can follow her. She will have vibe.
Yeah.
Yeah, she just from a forward her energy just turn up. I mean love that.
Yeah.
Yeah. No joke. Crazy fire signal for her. She named Tina Comfortable on Instagram. Yeah. No joke. See her page, Tina Comfortable. Tina, you need to put up some page. Put up some page.
Dennis, type again. Type now. We're going to see a type.
What's your name?
What's your name, Dennis? Don't clean it.
That is it.
Yeah. It's a one thing.
Oh, see her there. Dennis.
Dennis, we'll see you. We'll see you.
Big up every time, Dennis. Outside with it.
On the Gaza ground. We'll see you.
Again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big up me.
So, big up your Dolly, see her? One nice with Dolly, no follow her, see her? Simple underscore Stani, right?
Yeah, Tani.
Yeah. Martin, Dolly, look.
Banana over your neck, blood over your neck.
Dolly. But I don't know she don't want to show herself and then so you want.
Show your face.
Look there. Watch it, Dolly. Oh God. Right on the Gaza with them, man. It's a vibe. You understand? Alright, some people that say they want to see back the sign. Come here, we want to go back down, sir.
Come, we want to go back down.
Right on the Gaza with them. Yeah. Yeah, man, a night on the Gaza. Yeah. So we're going to show this sign. They don't know whole heap of police over here and thing. Down there full of police. But the people them just a whole of vibe. Nothing is wrong. Just play good vibes, great energy. That's all down there, so. You understand? Yeah. Big up everybody with the VYBZ Kartel and big up on yourself, you understand? The real boss outside. And thing on Jamaica walk by over here. Yeah, man. So everybody who don't know what Gaza is, this is just Gaza. It's not a place where bomber drop or none of them things they are going. It's just one community where name so. You understand? You see me? It's just a vibrant community. Music, you can see it everywhere where you look. On the ground. I not tell you, man. See it then, man. Yeah. Them say they want to see back the sign, so I go I sign a little bit and think when I don't know a night I come. Yeah, my teacher big up again. Outside. Man. We there. You don't know artist the writer, so volcano, no, sir?
Yeah, chop. Up.
Volcano.
We up, you know?
You understand?
That's for the girls, then.
See. Oh, you mean? So everybody would have watched earlier. You'd have seen DJ and things, so you can watch back all the live and see man sing.
I got enough more.
One Jamaica walk. Big up every time. So yeah, we're still there. The police them there easy back, see them here. You understand? No joke, no doubt. So when you're back out, no pass.
Everything going to move, man. Not easy.
Yeah, it's an energy. But two son, you want? Yeah. Yeah, man. So it's a community, it's a vibrant community. You have to understand that about Gaza. It's a vibrant community. The community now seems like it lack off. You understand? They have them shops, they have everything. That little corner here, what I call like the hangout spot for where VYBZ Kartel mostly hang out with them bridgings, them, in family them, and all of them things there. Right on the little corner here. So everybody will just a join. You have to understand, you can see it on the wall them. And then say Gaza for life. You understand? So this is pretty much the spot where I'm chill and thing. If you look up in the ear now, see it there? They have a sign marked Gaza City. I've been a video it all long. So all the people them with the ask to see it there? Gaza City. You understand? No joke. Yeah. So it's all about music, as you can see it on the ground. Music, the money, the vibe, the energy. You understand? The happiness, you can feel all of that something there when your father say. If you don't want DJ and your father say, you feel like you don't want ton of DJ. Because of the energy of all the thing flow right here. So you understand? Yeah, don't move too fast. Sleeping police right there. So but see there, Gaza City. Nice energy, and you can see why. You understand? You sit down and hold a vibe right there, so and just easy and enjoy yourself and just relax. You see me? So the teacher out and everybody been waiting for something like this, and the day finally forward. You see me? Everywhere you look, you will see them posters there. You see me? We say free world boss and all of that and thing. And it's just straight energy. So see how me sit down right there, so right at Gaza City. How you mean? So big up everybody from Gaza, big up everybody from Portmore. See it here, on the know it. Right on the little bridge.
Alice Lassie.
Yeah, man, music
it's
and sport thing, you hear that? Music and sport thing, real. Music and sport.
Look good. Yeah, bro, big up yourself.
Fourth, brother, you know.
Fourth. See it there. Yeah, man, you feel it in your ear, man. If you not do music and fall from here, so you have to do music. Wait, so we kill out the mosquito them. So when they burn, look, mosquito time, them I get rid of you now. Yeah, get rid of mosquito them. So what this do? Creates the smoke. You understand? So what this do? Smoke. Run the mosquito them and all of that, you see? Yeah. So yeah, big up to everybody who join. It's all about from the Gaza. One thing. I run away mosquito them. I'm sitting so. Yeah, go outside. Close the show, me G. Where you say? Send a big up.
That's right.
That's this it. Outside. Yeah. Look good. As the road through so. So I want to see how the guards are set up. I want to see the whole vibe, the energy over here for the evening from VYBZ KARTEL. Get free and thing. And the people them over here just been enjoy themselves. Been just vibe. Yeah, my friend. Jamaica walk by. You get it? Alright. Yeah. So we just a road through. Big up all that guys, a massive them, you don't know. Yeah. And big up to everybody who actually make me come over here and feel safe and nice and enjoy myself and the whole works and thing, you see. Blessings my teacher. The white have to clean. What you mean? That is it, Snow White. Yeah, man. So big up all Waterford massive. Yeah, so pretty much this is what it looks like. So in Jamaica, the house them over here in Waterford, the house them pretty much join on. So you get these type of thing looking like alley where you would walk, you know what I mean? So it's a great feeling. If you don't watch many of VYBZ KARTEL videos where I normally do, when I see my walk on some stretch like these, you understand where you see all of the house them just join on. So pretty much people live closely. So you can't say you live right there and you don't know who live beside you in this community. You understand? You have to know because all the house them join on. So this is pretty much the stretch where you walk. So the music video them would show a nice description of what them look like when you walk this stretch and you see VYBZ KARTEL with whole heap of crew and all them friend them and thing I walk through Gaza. Yeah. On them strip ya. You see me? So it's just great. It was a vibe. I just walk out of the excitement a little bit and go up on the front of the main road there and thing. So yeah, I feel good. It's a good day. Wanna say show if you keep stadium. A stadium it have to keep, you know. Cause I don't know which venue can hold a show. Yeah. Good evening. Yeah. Big up my teacher. Respect. Yeah man, get rid of mosquito them mommy. Yeah, so this is a manual way to get rid of mosquito. Just build a fire, get some smoke, and them go through. Some of the mosquito them get dread now, you know, mommy. Where they come like they have them gas mask. And them fly through smoke and all. Yeah man, so you just burn some fire like this, get some smoke, and as you can see it, yeah. They might just feed and go in, you know.
Yeah, me know.
But at the feeding part, mash up.
Yes, because when by the time you quit now, then gone in. And so before there, then come back out.
Jeez, so how you feel to the VYBZ KARTEL free?
You must say, I'm a son that.
That is it, man. Oh gosh, man. You don't know, man.
Alright, Kingston.
Alright, my friend. Good evening. Yeah. Yeah, man. It's a great feeling. I got to be here. I'm Jamaica walk by One Love.
Oh,
yeah, man.
I'm Jamaica.
You watch me?
Yeah, man. Always I watch you,
oh,
man.
God, man. That means a hug time, man.
Yeah, man.
A hug time, man. Blessings
man.
and love.
For
a real hug.
Alright.
Big up every time. So she said she watch channel. Look like a year ends this.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, do all like us. It's a supermarket, alright, or something?
Every little thing.
Every little thing. How for channel that? When me say subscribe to it, how for one? Let me see if I can video it.
Yeah.
So then say subscribe to that channel, like, comment, the name RAC Mix channel.
Yes, I knew.
Yeah, share the name.
Yes.
So big up to that YouTube channel, yeah. Big up on yourself, you know what I mean? That is it. Yeah, right on the Gaza. Right at the supermarket. Yeah. Oh, you mean?
Hans variety.
Yeah,
Hans variety.
Hans variety.
Yeah.
I have a headache pill. You have a headache pill.
Everything.
Jeez and peace.
Everything.
Yeah, right now I want a water. I can get a water,
Yeah,
please.
man, everything. You see you?
I said, maybe not give away all our money. I wonder if I have none left. Yeah, beg your water them in general. Preferably kind of room temperature type of look thing. If you have one in the fridge not too cool, you know?
No, room temperature because they in there from last night.
Alright, give me it still. We take a look at coolings. So right, so now you don't know you get every look at thing. Me see you can like all hardware there, me see all battery, me see things in the car. Me see. You hear pipe cock? Yeah, I saw it name, pipe cock. Pipe cock, I saw it name. Yeah, respect and thanks, me general. See it yeah? Good old water. You know water no sponsor the video, but big up water.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because pot white spelling I know. Water is not water, it's water. You understand? No, Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk by.
Yeah. So see? Fire blaze, we get rid of the mosquito them. Yeah. So right on the Gaza, it's just a vibe. The energy over here is just different, bro. You understand? Look good. Down there so crazy music I play, people them just have a vibe and thing and we just are easy. While she feed the fire. Right at the supermarket. What name again? Miss Ann?
Ann's Variety.
Ann's Variety Store. Yep. Yeah. So right on the Gaza. Big up yourself. May I beg you pull it off to me there. Oh you mean? In our Coca-Cola bib.
Alright.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
One love always.
Alright, darling, take care.
That is it. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, my friend. Remember saying I have too much clothes in the mind and the mosquito them, you know. Careful. So yeah, we're like one of the most silent part now of the Gaza. Right out on the little me and I look a bit. You understand? See it? People them just a little bit of going in now. Them feel happy. Right on the stretch, just calm and subtle. Yeah. Gaza. No joke. So blessed love to everybody up on the live. You know what I mean? Let me take a time out to big up some people as usual. Yeah man, I can come past man and everything man. It's great. You understand? So blessed love to everybody join right now. You know what I mean? Godly whitey. Yeah, Jamaica walk by. You understand? Blessings and respect. Mine of Jason, my brother, big up yourself for always supporting Jamaica walk by. Blessings to you and your whole family. You understand? Godly whitey, big up yourself. Analog. You don't know Scott, who we have here? I try to go through your name them look a bit. Jerome, big up yourself. Red Girl, Slimmy. You don't know Slicker. I don't know how you pronounce or something there. But big up yourself. TC Lifestyle Adventure. That's all like one YouTube channel. Big up yourself always. You see it? Who up on the live and I can give a big up. Jacqueline Campbell, big up yourself. No joke, no doubt. As you walk through. You see me? Jacqueline, big up yourself. Respect, bro. The cartel free. Finally. Big up every time, man. So, one love to all. I'm going to sign out right here, so. You understand? See it there? Gaza. Yeah. So, I try to give them a little time if you can hold some little vibe after the year. You know, and everything them I go on, you know, dip on camera, showcase, and them want to build, them want to relax now. Them want to do some little reasoning where rest. So I just know me hold my little 2 cents and outside to see the vibe and the energy. We not take up them space too much. You understand? Chopper, big up every time. You understand? Tony, big up, you see it? So much people there on it, you don't know. But Gaza was a vibe, and as me can say, big up to all I massive them on the Gaza again. Big up Gaza, Tucson, you understand? Big artists, blessings and respect. We see energy when time forward, you don't know, welcome and big up every time. Master God, big up yourself, you know what I mean? Cool Stove, what a name buddy? Yeah, DJ Fully Nico, big up every time now man. We have VA Records, big up every time, you see it? No joke, no doubt. You know me they want to take a walk, go down that side there. You understand? But when I see how the place look and thing, people them probably just want to relax you know. And mosquito time I come out. So what them I go do, them I go just go inside until the mosquito them wear off and then them back out. You understand? See? So, bless up again to everybody who joined the live. Everybody who actually, let me ask you right now, if you actually watch right now and you subscribe to Jamaica Walk By, please may I ask you to subscribe to Jamaica Walk By. Zin? Please may I ask you to subscribe to Jamaica Walk By if you are watch right now. So, blessings and respect as I close the live. I thank you so much for joining. And let's see what tomorrow stay like and the rest of the day them are going to be like as we talk about VYBZ Kartel and in freedom. And you know me I going to keep on posting many of the changes and the happenings and what I go on. See? Yeah. SV, big up every time. You see it? KD, Vibes, Miami, big up every time. You understand? Yeah. No joke. Galaxy, blessings. Bishop, you don't know. Manners and respect always. Gaza, you see me? Yeah, Jacqueline, I see you. And thanks to everybody who join. Fillmore, big up every time, you know what I mean? So anybody who just join right now, you miss what go on, you can just watch back the live here on the channel and see the energy, see everything what go on. See? Respect. Parchment say, blessing for the coverage. Respect and manner. See that. Kevin, you don't know, you say big up when you're coming back to NY. I'll be back in New York City in September because I'm going to be there for the Caribbean parade. So I'm going to be there for the Caribbean parade in New York. You understand? Me can't miss that for the world. You see me? Jamaica first, country first. Big up every time, respect always. You see me? Yeah, the mosquito them wicked. Let me say, let's go shopping with, me can't see the rest of your name, big up every time. Orlando was a hit. Yeah, I have enough videos from Orlando to drop me. I'll keep on drop them as the weeks goes by. You see me? So again, big up to you all, like mad love, mad respect. Me super appreciate, you know, right over the Gaza me there. You understand? We just come out of the art of everything what go on. Cause you know, I give them a little vibe for easy and just do them little thing half the year as the mosquito them a roll out. You see me? So I just want to take the time out for just thank everybody who support Jamaica Walk By me. I'm glad to enjoy the live here. And me I go roll out right now. One love to you all. Please, my beg you, if you watch and not subscribe, please just subscribe to the channel. Drop a 1 like on the videos them. Drop a 1 comment on the videos them. That alone and it easy. See? Mad love, mad respect. We outside. Skyline, me see you. Only Miss P, big up every time. See? Yeah, C29, big up every time. You see it? MC Leo, respect always. And we outside. Mad thing.